Hi, I'm Carl and thank you for joining me for a presentation about setting up the PLANEX 2. The PLANEX 2 has three main parts: the sanding head, the extension and the handle. The sanding head contains a 360-degree LED light ring for inspecting the surface as you sand, and houses the 400-watt brushless motor, providing exceptional power whilst maintaining a low weight to help reduce fatigue when sanding. The improved gimbal delivers an increased range of movement and surface coverage and maintains the perfect angle for parallel placement on the wall or ceiling surface. The sanding head also houses the long life backing pad and the interface pad, which is suitable for both Festool sandpaper and granite net abrasives, without the need for a pad changer or protector. The handle area and the electronics area. Connected using the simple push lock system incorporated into the PLANEX 2, it can now be connected to the sanding head. And used at its shortest length of 1.2 metres. This is ideal for working on walls and ceilings of standard height. Weighing only 4 kilograms, a perfect balance between weight and reach is maintained. The electronics area contains the Bluetooth connection function for use with the Festool work app. This will show the operation status of the sander, allow light control and adjustment, and send notifications to your smartphone to assist with any troubleshooting. The light on and off switch, the power switch, and the variable speed control for perfect application speed selection, and of course, the plug-it lead and extraction connections. The T-shape handle provides ergonomic handling when sanding high areas using the T-grip. The barrel part of the handle is perfect when sanding low down on walls or when sanding ceilings. The two hose clip holders on the left and right of the T-handle to suit the user and to keep the hose from causing obstruction and premature wear at the connection points. For those harder to reach higher ceilings and walls, the extension piece can be added to achieve an impressive 1.65 metre length with only a small weight increase, bringing the total weight to 4.7 kilograms. A second extension can be purchased as an accessory to achieve a remarkable working length of 2.1 metres. Please note, only one extra extension can be added. Again, the extensions are easy to install and to take apart using the push lock system. The push lock system has two parts to unlocking. The first turn unlocks the connection. However, to prevent the section from falling apart and accidental damage, there is a second security lock. Simply fully turn the release handle and take the connections apart. Once the desired sanding length connections have been made, simply attach the plug-it lead, remembering a full quarter turn to lock in place. Attach the hose, and install the hose clip. And the tool is ready to use. All that remains is to install the abrasive. For complete dust-free sanding, the abrasives have been redesigned for the PLANEX 2. The coarse abrasives have a hole pattern of 48 holes, and the fine abrasives have a 128 hole pattern. For coarser sanding, 24 to 30 grit in sapphire paper and 40 to 60 grit in granite paper. perfect for stipple effect removal. Granite paper from 80 to 320 grit for intermediate and fine sanding, and for sanding of extremely fine and dusty surfaces, the granite net abrasives are available from 80 to 400 grit. Remember to set the vacuum system to the wall or ceiling position and have the sander running before placing on the surface. The PLANEX 2 is supplied in the Generation 3 XXL sustainer to keep the tool safe and dry when transporting and storing the tool on site. The XXL sustainer stores the sanding head and gimbal to maintain the near 45-degree angle for parallel placement on the surface. The sustainer has extra space available for extra accessories such as the cleaning kit and an extra extension. Also included in the sustainer is a pack of 5 128-hole 180 grit granite sandpaper and 5 Velcro straps to connect the hose and cable together for improved manoeuvrability and reduced angles. On the inside of the lid is a quick guide to the PLANEX 2. However, when connected to the work app, a full user guide and troubleshooting area can be found within the app. The perfect partner for the PLANEX 2 long reach sander is the CTM 36AC PLANEX Extractor. Producing exceptionally fine dust, the PLANEX 2 should always be used with the auto clean system. The extractor will automatically self-clean the filter, maintaining the required level of extraction. The CTM 36AC PLANEX Extractor is supplied with the anti-kink, high flexibility, anti-static hose. This hose is designed to prevent potential damage if stood on and has the special bayonet lock fitting for the PLANEX range of sanders. The extractor is supplied with the Comfort Clean slider used for deep cleaning of the filter throughout the day to ensure perfect dust-free sanding. Simply slide and shut and turn the dial to AC for a full deep clean cycle. Once complete, slide open to continue working. It is recommended that this be done at least once per hour of sanding and at the start and end of each working day. The correct settings for use with the PLANEX would be the power dial set to auto, the hose diameter dial set to 36mm, the auto clean selector on, and the suction level to full. It's important to use the correct bag in the extractor when using the PLANEX 2. The fleece bags are designed for coarser dust from materials such as timber and plastics and contain pores that allow the bag to function correctly. This is sometimes referred to as a closed bag system. If these fleece bags are used with the superfine dust from minimal materials such as plaster and fillers, these pores will block in around 20 minutes and the extractor would lose suction. So, the lining plastic bag should be used. This is referred to as the open bag or auto clean system. Simply install the bag into the collection drum, ensuring the perforated sections are inside the drum. The perforations equalise the pressure of the vacuum and stop the bag sucking up into the filter. Then, wrap the bag around the drum, keeping the 3 metal contacts clear. Put the motor back onto the drum and close the 2 black connection levers. When full, the bag has a zip tie connected to it. Close the bag and zip tie ready for disposal. Install a fresh bag and continue to work. The PLANEX cradle can also be purchased for the extractor to enable safe storage of the PLANEX, the extension and abrasives between sanding application. For ease of transportation, A Generation 3 Sustainer M can be placed onto the hose garage of the Extractor. That will then hose the XXL3 Sustainer containing the PLANEX 2. The Sustainer 3 SIS STF D225 is the perfect option. This can be purchased as an accessory to your system to hose all the different abrasives you may need. The PLANEX and the extraction system can now easily be transported to and from the job site. Everything you need in one system. And let's not forget, your PLANEX 2 and Extractor will be covered by Festool warranty all inclusive. 3 years free of charge repairs and service, 3 years theft protection cover, and a 10-year spare parts guarantee. Simply register your purchase within 30 days on your My Festool account, either online at festool.co.uk or by downloading the Festool Work app. Thank you for watching Festool TV.